Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by powering the watch and pairing it to your iPhone. This links health notifications and apps. Put the watch on, charge to at least 50%, and open the watch app. Once the camera viewfinder appears, align the watch face so the iPhone recognizes it. The visual pairing speeds the process. Choose Restore if moving data, or Setup as new to avoid legacy settings. Make sure to sign in with your Apple ID because it enables iCloud backups, Find My and App Sync. Once paired, you customize how the watch behaves and which apps matter. This saves battery and reduces distractions. Start by setting a passcode and enabling wrist detection so secure features like Apple Pay work automatically. Next, install only essential apps, Workout, Messages, Maps, and Music, because fewer apps mean longer battery life. Then, configure watch faces and complications to surface the data you use most. Make sure to adjust notification settings on the iPhone so your watch. You'll now use the watch daily for quick interactions and health tracking, so learn the controls. Press the side button for dock, turn the digital crown to scroll, and swipe for control center and notifications. Sync playlists to the watch for offline runs and start workouts from the workout app so metrics record to health. If something goes wrong, restart the watch first. That fixes most issues. If problems persist, unpair and repair via the watch app. This resets software without losing iCloud sync data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.